Hi guys, Talkback Tuesday with me, Fancy Nancy. And so today we are talking about these electric plugs. So before they used to be on the side of the island on the exterior. Now with the new building codes, they have to be on the inside, and they sit on your countertop like this, and they pop up when you need them like this. Do we like it? Do we not like it? I like it. I think it looks like super fancy on your countertop. It hides it. But I could see when you did plug something in, it might be annoying because the cord will like sit and like trickle for the time being. Depends on what you're plugging in. But comment below and let me know your thoughts. This is a new building code, so any homes being built after a certain time period will have to adhere to this code. But I would really like to know what you think. And that's Talkback Tuesdays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.